Okay, we are going to look at the product rule for taking a derivative. So you're going to use a product rule when you have a situation where your function is actually a function times another function. So you can see here, I've got this function here, x squared plus 6x plus 7, and it wants to multiply with x cubed plus 5. Okay, classic example of a product rule. Now, if we wanted to, we could multiply all that out and use a power rule, except that's going to lead to a little bit of some tedious work and a little bit more work than we need to do, and that could lead to some arithmetic mistakes that we don't really need. So as you'd be studying your calculus class, you'd be going through the definition and the proof of the product rule. So I like to kind of take that and kind of think of it like this. So my y prime, when I use a product rule, is going to be 1, 4 plus 2, 3. Now I'm going to explain exactly where I get this 1, 4, 2, 3. So 1 would be the first function that I see. So that's this one. X squared plus 6x plus 7. 2 is the derivative of that function. So again, I'm going to apply whatever rules I need to there. So here I can see it's going to use the power rule, and derivative would be 2x plus 6. 3 would be the second function I see, which would be x cubed plus 5. And then 4 is a derivative of that function, which would be 3x squared. So this right here that I've come up with, it's just rearranging what the definition would have for you. So when I go to put together my derivative function, it's 1 times 4. So that would be my 1 and 4 there. So it doesn't matter if I put 1, 4 or 4, 1, but I'll put that 3x squared first, but it doesn't really matter. Plus 2 times 3. So plus 2x plus 6 times x cubed plus 5. So I'm just going to write that all on one line, make it a little bit neater. So this right here is a nice way on how to remember to use the product rule. And again, you would be studying and learning the proof and why this actually works. So when I've come up with this 1 times 4 plus 2 times 3, I just think it's a little bit easier to remember those numbers and that sequence rather than that definition that you're going to learn in class. Now again, it'd be up to your class, learning goals, or your teacher on how far they want you to simplify that. But this right here, this should be ready to take the derivative right away. So again, just kind of going over that, I'll go over up here. So 1 is the first function you see, 2 is the derivative of that first function, 3 is the second function that you see, and 4 would be the derivative of that. Okay, we will see you in the next video.